Video presentations are a great way to save time and impress your coworkers. You can pre-record a presentation and send it to them to watch in their own time. So in this video, I'll show you how to create stunning video presentations for any type of presentation in just a couple of minutes. Let's get into it.
Oh, dude, you get into it. Lose yourself.
Okay, before we start, we need an actual presentation. To record my video presentation, I'm going to be using an app called Tella. It's a screen recorder that makes it incredibly easy. It's a free screen recorder. It's a free screen recorder that makes it incredibly easy to create professional videos. So go to Tella.tv and sign up for a free account. You can get started recording right away, and there are no time limits, which is handy. Also, make sure you stick around till the very end so you can see a nifty little thing that Tella does for you automatically, which will literally silence your viewers. Next, let's open up our presentation. I'm going to be using Keynote in this example, but like I mentioned earlier, you can use any presentation type you like. Now that we have our presentation ready to go, let's switch over to Tella and set up our recording.
All right, I'm ready.
Click New Video, then let's turn on our camera so we can record ourselves presenting, and now let's share our screen so that we can record that. Now, two quick things to mention. Number one, if you don't want to record your camera, you don't have to. You can leave it switched off and just record your audio. Number two, depending on which browser you use, you'll get a slightly different set of options when sharing your screen. I'm using Google Chrome right now, and those are the options that you can see on screen. Right, let's get back to work. So now we've got our recording set up, we can press Start Recording, and then while it counts down, switch over to our presentation so that we can record it. At this point, I'm going to present my slides just like I would if I was presenting live. When I'm done presenting, I can switch back into Tella and press Stop Recording. Okay, great. We've recorded our presentation, but now what? Is that it? Nope. Here's where the fun stuff happens. Now we're going to customize and personalize it. Or in other words, this is where we make your video. This is where we make our video presentation look awesome. To do that, just click Edit Clip. This will take you into the Tella editor. But if you're thinking, I don't want to spend a bunch of time editing videos, don't worry. You don't need to know anything about video editing or visual design.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Tella makes things incredibly simple, and your videos will look professional by default. We'll get back to making our video look good in a moment, but first we need to tidy up the recording itself. So let's open up the trim tool and remove any unwanted parts. Here I'm going to trim off the start and trim off a bit from the end. The start of your recording will often contain a long silence and shots of you preparing to record. No one needs to see you clearing your throat. And the end of your video will often contain an awkward few seconds of you stopping talking and looking for the stop button. Next, we're going to remove any silences or mistakes from the middle of the video. To do that, just put your cursor at the start point of what you want to remove and then press split. Then put your cursor at the end point of what you want to remove and press split again. Now, select the middle segment and press delete. Easy. Just repeat this process for any parts of the video that you don't want. All right, now we can jazz things up. First, we're going to pick a nice layout, one that gives our video a truly personal feel. Tella has a bunch of layouts that you can choose from, but I'm going to go for this overlapping side-by-side layout. Nice. Next, we need a background. My presentation is about jellyfish, so let's search through Tella's backgrounds and see if we can find something like that. I'm going to go for this one. Okay, time for the finishing touches. How about we add a nice border like this one, and now let's remove these black bars from our presentation using the crop tool. Stunning. All that's left for us to do is to share our video with the team, and they'll be able to watch it instantly. To do that, click Finish, and then from the share page, click Copy Link, and you have to send this to your colleagues over Slack or email or however you like. Remember how I said I was going to show you something cool? When you make video presentations in Tella, they're automatically transcribed so your viewers can watch them with subtitles. Even better, Tella supports 7 different languages. And that's all it takes to create amazing video presentations using Tella and any presentation software that you use. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you want to know more about how you can use video at work, please subscribe to the Tella channel. See you in the next one. Bye.